Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the first chapter of the DTI Valentine's Day quest. So first, you'll need to go up to like a cauldron, that's how you pronounce it, and then you have to memorize the potions that you're going to mix. I memorize it by kind of like the color, but some of them are similar, so maybe you can do it by shape. You're just going to mix it. So the first potion, you're going to mix it by pressing your cursor up and down. The second one, you're going to slide like right to left or left to right. Then lastly, you're going to mix it all together. Pick any bottle you want and you're just going to give it to the girl in the front there. And then once you're done with that, you're just going to go to the portal. Once you're done, you are going to basically shoot at the hearts. It's a little bit tricky. You're just going to shoot at it at the correct time with your bow and arrow. Last of all, you are just going to shoot one last heart, and then you're going to be teleported into chapter 2, which I will explain in the next video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!